Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial of LeetCode, where in this interesting and quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the questions that have been asked in getting the job role in Amazon company, the DSA questions that has been asked by Amazon. So the LeetCode provide you with that list so that you can prepare well for the company. So to do that, all you need to do is to just simply go to the leetcode.com and log in to the LeetCode with your credentials. Once you do that, just simply go to the option which says problems. When you go over the problem sections and wait a minute until it gets load. Once it gets load, here on the right bottom corner, you're gonna find this icon, a golden icon. Just simply tap it over here, and once you do that, here you're gonna find the list of companies. And here in this top section, you can see this Amazon, and in this small box you can see how many questions of Amazon are there on LeetCode. Just simply type it over there, and you're gonna find all the questions that have been asked by LeetCode, that has been asked by Amazon in their job recruitment process. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.